CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5 Compare and contrast common types of input and output device interfaces. Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt is a newer wired interface standard that stands out for its versatility. It functions as a networking interface, a peripheral device interface, and a graphical device interface, all in one connection. Originally developed by Intel in collaboration with Apple, Thunderbolt was first released in 2011. In its early days, Thunderbolt was used primarily with Mac workstations and laptops, making it especially popular among creative professionals who needed fast data transfers and high-resolution display support. However, over time, Thunderbolt has expanded well beyond the Apple ecosystem and is now supported on many Windows-based systems and high-end PCs as well. Thunderbolt builds on many of the great features already offered by USB, such as hot swapping, power delivery, and plug-and-play support. But what really sets it apart is its speed and bandwidth. Thunderbolt supports ultra-fast data transfer rates, can power external devices, and can transmit video to multiple high-resolution displays, all through a single cable. Another cool feature is Thunderbolt's ability to connect two Mac devices together by forming a network connection, known as a Thunderbolt bridge. This is what makes Thunderbolt a networking interface. Thunderbolt's latest versions have even become compatible with USB and even use the USB Type-C connector. How do you avoid confusion then? Easy. Look for the Thunderbolt icon next to the port. Without the Thunderbolt icon, you will not get Thunderbolt's bonus features. One more detail about Thunderbolt: like USB-C, Thunderbolt connectors are reversible or non-keyed, meaning you can insert a Thunderbolt connector into its port with either side facing up. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.